my name is Chelsea and welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing of the new 2020 MacBook Pro. So let's get started. So before we begin, the MacBook Pro does start out with a base cost of $12.99, but some of you may be eligible to get it for $11.99, and I'll let you know how you can do so in a second. I ordered my laptop on Monday, May 4th, and it was at my door on Thursday, so really quick shipping. The base now includes 256 gigabytes of storage, opposed to the original 128, and you can add additional upgrades if you like. So if you like more memory or more storage, there are additional options available for you. And I always love this part, so let's unbox. So it includes a manual, and it also includes the charging cables. And when you pull this back, you can see the actual wall unit. And here it is. As you can see, I purchased this space gray color. It has 512 gigabytes of storage, and it has 16 gigabytes of memory. This is the third model up from the base, so it starts out at $17.99, but some of you can get it at $16.99. That is if you are a teacher or a student, and I'll include the links to purchase it below. I absolutely love this design, and it's so lightweight. I can't wait to remove the wrapping. You guys, this is so much nicer than my previous brick of a laptop, but we won't go there. Okay, let's open her up and take a look. As you can see, it's starting on its own. It's pretty cool. These new MacBooks have the new Magic Keyboard opposed to the old Butterfly keyboard. So they're supposed to be really good. And we have the Touch ID on top. Let's see.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
We'll be using English. Now there's the welcome message.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar.
And then it has you connect to the Wi-Fi. So while I set this up, this model has 4 of the Thunderbolt 3 ports. And you can see the beautiful touch bar here. Okay, so one drawback to this laptop is it only has the C ports. And of course, if you want to connect your USB or your memory cards or whatever devices, you need an adapter. Now, I did go on Amazon and purchase my adapter in advance. I wanted something that I can plug in multiple devices at once. So I found this 7-in-1, and it's so convenient. So I'll show you what it includes. One HDMI 4K output, 3 USB 3.0 ports, an SD card slot, from your cameras and so forth, and a micro SD card slot. So it's really convenient. It's really small and it matches the color of the space gray laptop. You can see all the connectors. So the HDMI is here, the 3 USB ports, the SD, and the memory cards. So that's going to be so convenient. If you guys want to purchase this, I'll link it down below. It was top rated on Amazon. Okay, so now we're setting up the Touch ID. So it says to lift and rest your finger on the Touch ID repeatedly. And then you can choose your lock, whether that's light, dark, or auto. And it's being set up. Okay guys, so my laptop is now fully set up and the graphics on it look amazing. So I'm going to test it out a bit, do some editing and some basic use, and I'll come back to you guys with another video to let you guys know how it's performing. Thank you so much for checking out my video today, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Comment below if you'd like to see an update video. I'll be back next week with another video. Bye guys. Okay, let's open her up and take a look.